Nityananda. Welcome to Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Path session. Welcome everybody. Such an intense satsang beyond the possibility of what is happening. Bhagavan is giving us a breakthrough of organic vaccination in different levels. He's giving us the understanding how Tyaga intensifies when love becomes more, when your Hridaya heart is filled with Bhagavan, and how more and more you're in love with Bhagavan, Tyaga simply happens. More and more living that space of Tyaga, oneness with Paramashiva, is the ultimate, makes everything so beautiful and easy. Doing the morning routine, the mood swings completely vanish away. Bhagavan has once said to the Gurukul kids, how in the morning the maximum contemplation is happening in your mind. And when you are very clear what you want in the morning and bring a clarity during yoga and puja, the coherence that just happens. Yoga, he calls it as aligning to the cosmic geometry. So your mind, body, emotion, everything is aligned to the highest reality. Same way doing puja, you as Paramashiva himself, as offering to Paramashiva, simply holding that oneness space, melting in Paramashiva, and continuously doing this yoga and puja in the Brahma Muhurta simply makes us aligned to the coherence of the brain, the clarity that it brings. So the emotional ups and downs does not affect us. And Bhagavan simply says, there's a nadi which was there in human being which is lost now, simply starts happening. Then you start doing yoga in the Brahma Muhurta. It's so powerful. It's not just flexing our muscles or building our muscles or getting some strength, but it's much beyond the Brahma Muhurta. If you heard that maximum number of heart attacks happen in the early morning, how much we are aligned and how much the confusion happens in the ordinary world while doing all the yoga and puja in that time, releases from all that and aligns us to the highest reality. Each and everything Bhagavan says is completely true and completely real. Living the Charya Pada, simple lifestyle that Bhagavan has given, and Yoga Pada, Kriya Pada, and Jnana Pada, how he says simply the coronavirus could be really completely wiped out when you are in the Panchapatni Vridam. That is simple fasting for 28 days, letting go all the reactionary assumption. Most of the reactionary assumption is from the food that we eat. If we sit for meditation, the only thing which goes on inside is our mind is completely chaosed, and to settle down it takes so long. But doing this yoga, doing the puja, is literally settling our inner space. And the Panchapatni Vridam, the Virahara Samyama that Bhagavan has given, settles our inner space to such coherence, understanding we can start living the higher cognition, higher reality, that space of Tyaga, space of love, simply because our inner space is completely settled. Even whatever we want to strategize, it becomes so natural and real, not changing every hour, but more clarity and more in oneness with Paramashiva, the right decisions that we make, the right thought current we carry, and less confusion and less chaos that happens inside us. The conflicts simply reduces and vanish away. So each and everything that Bhagavan gives us is such a powerful space. And with that powerful space, the darshan and diksha, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.